I get very excited when I discover new appliances that I know are going to make a big impact in my kitchen, and this is one of them. So this is Panasonic's first air fryer plus multi-function microwave oven. You heard right, this guy will air fry, but it will also do your baking and roasting, grilling, and obviously reheating as well. Now there are so many things to love about this particular microwave. The air frying is a game changer. So you get a very large air frying basket. It's elevated, which means you get that airflow right around all of your food, getting it lovely and crispy and golden. Fries, chicken wings, pork belly even. These are some of my favorite things to do using the air fryer mode with this microwave. Now, one of my other favorite functions here is combination cooking. I think this is such an underrated way to use a microwave oven like this. So if you combine microwave power plus oven or microwave plus grilling, which you can do in this microwave, you can do things quicker, faster. You can roast a chicken in 40 minutes. Yes, 40 minutes. That is a huge time saving. So those sorts of things are really where this microwave becomes a game changer. Now let's talk about space, because obviously we want to be maximizing the amount of cooking space we have in our appliances. Now a lot of large microwaves actually can have a very small turntable, like less than 35 centimeters. With this Panasonic microwave, you have a 34-liter capacity inside, and the turntable is large. It is 360 millimeters, making it large enough for a whole roast chicken. And one more thing to love here is the built-in Genius sensor. It takes the guesswork out of reheating chilled food. The sensor will measure the humidity of the food and automatically calculate the cooking time and power level. So there you go, friends. So much technology packed into this Panasonic air fryer plus multifunction microwave oven. It really is a game changer.